How to use the room visualizer. Type room visualizer in the search bar. Pick a product you would like to see virtually. Click View in My Room on the product page. Here you can upload a picture of your room or choose from one of our stock photos. In Change Product, you can go through different options. You can favorite different flooring patterns to come back to later. This gray one seems nice, why don't we find where that is on the product page? Remember to choose color and quantity before adding to cart. From here you can check out. See your flooring options virtually with Greatmats.